Before you start a GoHighlevel trial, here's something most people don't realize. If you go directly through the official website, you'll usually only get the regular 14-day trial. But there's a separate access link that gives you a full 30 days instead. I put that link in the description and pinned comment below. So if you want more time to actually test the platform properly, make sure you use that version. And with a tool like GoHighlevel, having extra time genuinely matters. There's a lot built into the software, including funnels, automations, CRM features, email and SMS marketing, booking systems, and more. 2 weeks can go by fast. Especially if you're busy setting everything up, the sign-up process is still super simple. Just click the link, create your account, complete the setup steps, and you'll unlock the extended free trial automatically. I've also included some extra bonuses alongside the trial link, and you can find the full list down in the description. So if you want the longer 30-day GoHighlevel free trial instead of the standard offer, check the link below and get started.